Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Ahmad. I am doing my bachelor's in computer science from FAS University. So today I will going to tell you about communication across culture. So let's start with the basics. What is communication? Communication is the act of developing meaning among entities or a group through the use of sufficiently mutually understood signs, symbol, semiotic conventions. There are two types of communication: verbal, non-verbal communication. Verbal communication: use of sounds and words to express yourself. It includes face-to-face communication, telephone communication, radio communication. Like you can see in the picture that these two are communicating like face-to-face. In non-verbal communication, these are the type of communication where communication through sending and receiving words less clues. It includes eye contact, gestures, touch, voice. Now, communication across culture. Communication across cultures refer to the studies that deal with various ways of interaction that people use to communicate among themselves as well as with different cultures. Now I will tell you little deep about it. Like in the increasing diverse global workforces of today, knowing the best way to respect culture differences is a must. Leaders and employers need to understand international customs so they can foster positive and healthy relationships. It's not only the right thing to do, it also help drive business success. When preparing for an upcoming trip, meeting, or a call within with colleagues from another culture, consider the list below to ensure your interaction is the best it can be. Why is it important? It is important because it helps in business opportunities, job opportunities, globalization, sharing of views and ideas, talent improvisation, understanding of diverse markets. It can help because when when you have the good communication skills, so you can do your business very good. So fundamental tips of for communicating across cultures. So these are the main tips that you should have communicate across culture. You should ask questions, think twice, be flexible, and be honest. Listen actively, respect differences, build self-awareness. Now I will tell you in detail. Get to know manners of cross-cultural communication. Avoid making culture assumptions. Like for example, everyone has different expectation cultures aside. Do not simply transfer an experience with one person with a culture to another. Try to speak in manners that is balanced and not too quick. Like for example, everyone should speak in a manner because in our daily life we see that some people use hard tone while talking. So for communication, we should try to speak in a manner so that everyone should understand your voice or your ideas. Highlight questions in order to avoid confusions. You should highlight questions, speak in short sentences and stick to one topic at a time. Do not use language because it becomes very difficult for many of the people to understand. Moving on, ask questions that are in broader concept. Listen carefully and try to understand. Whatever confusion are coming in your mind, clear them by asking questions that are in touch with the topic. Be prepared for misunderstanding. Like for example, repeat what you are hearing to ensure information in responding. Do not assume your message are being understood so that it should be clear to everyone. Listen carefully and try to understand everything. Ask questions and share your ideas. Those who do not know your native language offer support them. You can support them. For example, many people do not know your native language. So you should support them because they can know your ideas and get your things. Clear our expectation during meetings. Thank you.